Now you're gonna watch my favorite salad of all times by far. Tamam mı? I can very well say if this salad was made in Italy or France, now the whole world would know about it and everyone was making it at home. Tamam mı? For this recipe, the sultan is tomato. We have 4 tomatoes that we have diced like this. Also, the water of the tomato is very tasty, so it also gets in. Then we have this white onion. In Turkey, we love using the onion. Onion is so great for several reasons in terms of health. So we have 1.5 onion thinly diced. These are the 2 main characters. To this, we're gonna add some flavor. Main thing is the cumin. A teaspoon of cumin gets in. This increases the density. Half a teaspoon black pepper gets in. If you want it really hot, half a teaspoon of red flaked pepper. If you don't have, you can use cayenne, paprika, all good. And salt to your taste. I put all these together, especially on top of the onion, to get the onion juices to mix with this nice herbs. Then also some garlic. If you love garlic, which I do, I put 3 cloves of garlic. But if you're, this is summer, not so much. These are really big ones. You can use 2. And some acidity, half a lemon juice gets in, some olive oil. At first about 2-3 tablespoons. And pomegranate molasses is the key factor. If you don't know what it is, we have a video about it here. It's evaporated pomegranate juice actually. It has that sweet and soury flavor. It is like the balsamic sauce of Turkey. So I put about 3 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses. In your country, you might find pomegranate sauce. Pomegranate sauce is not pomegranate molasses, a little different. What's the difference? One is more sugary, like sugar syrup mixed with some pomegranate flavor. This is just pomegranate juice, guys. Now we mix it well. The most important thing, this is the juice of the salad. The juice should always be there. And then to this, I'm going to add some cracked walnuts and some parsley. In Italian culture, tomato is married with basil. In Turkey, tomatoes are married with parsley. As the witness, some mint gets in and they live happily ever after. We mix the salad. I don't beat the tomatoes, turn them like this and they become gorgeous. And one final thing, usually they don't put nutmeg, but I believe a bit of nutmeg and a bit of cumin takes the salad to another level. This is Refika style Gavurdağı. Now I'm going to taste it. Incredible. A bit more salt. The thing is, you can eat it immediately, but if this sits for about 10 to 15 minutes, it becomes even more gorgeous. We do a lot of tasting. In your kitchen, if you do that, have an extra spoon, put it in. This is with your mouth. This is always clean. Hop. So, as you can see, this is huge and there's some still left. This is one huge salad and there is a kid on the side. Very bereketli. So nice and incredibly tasty. And as you can see, there is the water. How do we eat it? We don't just put it on the plate, because when we put it directly on the plate, it becomes like this. That beautiful water is just distributed, but that is the goodness. If you go as a guest and they don't know this thing and they just give you a plate, then we call this shamandıra. A piece of bread gets in and you just soak the water and eat it like this. But the right way to eat it is you get from this and a bit more water, and this is your serving. And when you are eating it, I'm just gonna show you from the middle because I'm not gonna dip it again. Normally you put your bread in like this and you have your spoon. You get your spoon.
And bite a bit of cheese.
Bite a bit of kebab, bite a bit of cheese, bite your nails, I don't know. Well, you can do all. That's it. Great salad. It's like kebab. If you're one of those people, I'm not a salad person, this is beyond it, guys. If you're a salad person, this is again beyond your expectations. Many of the ingredients you can find everywhere. Only the red pepper and the molasses you might not find. Red pepper can be replaceable. You can make your own molasses, or you can buy it through Etsy or Amazon. You can find it somewhere. I'll try to find links and put it down. I used to sell them, but no more, unfortunately. So that's it. Take great care. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like our video.